Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Robinhood Crypto and enable transfers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Robinhood Crypto, start by downloading the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it and tap on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a secure password. You'll need to provide some personal information, including your name, date of birth, and social security number. After filling in your information, tap Continue to proceed. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link from Robinhood. Once verified, return to the app and log in with your email and password. When prompted, complete the additional identity verification steps. This may include answering questions about your employment and financial situation. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Investing tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the option labeled Crypto and select it. You can browse available cryptocurrencies while here. To enable transfers, tap on the profile icon on the upper left. In the Settings menu, select Crypto Settings. Find the option labeled Enable Crypto Transfers and toggle it on. You'll be asked to read and accept the terms and conditions. After accepting, your account will be set to enable transfers. To start transferring crypto, return to the Crypto section and select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Tap on Transfer, then choose whether you want to send or receive crypto. Follow the prompts to enter the recipient's wallet address or select the option to transfer from external sources. Make sure to double-check the address for accuracy, as cryptocurrency transactions cannot be reversed. Confirm the transfer details and tap Submit to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation notification once the transfer is successful. Always remember to check for updates regularly to ensure compatibility with new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.